Differences between projects, programs, and portfolios. Relationship of project, program, portfolio, and operations management. You will find that the term portfolio, program, and project management are used interchangeably. This is not the correct usage of the terms. A great way to understand the relationship between portfolios, programs, and projects is to think in terms of a hierarchy. At the top of the hierarchy is portfolio management, which contains all the projects and programs that are prioritized by business objectives. A portfolio is part of the organization's overall strategy. Below that is program management, which contains numerous projects that are interrelated since they support one or more particular business objectives. Programs consist of multiple projects, but projects can be independent and simply be part of the portfolio. In the next slide, we will discuss the key differences between projects, programs, and portfolios. Projects have a well-defined scope which usually gets progressively elaborated during the project life cycle. Program scope is more focused towards benefits management. Portfolio have a business scope which changes with the strategy of the organization. Project manager tries to keep the changes to a minimum. Program managers are open to changes coming from internal or external changes. Portfolio managers are open to changes driven by market and regulatory changes. A project manager works to deliver a project efficiently and reliably. They are responsible for the day-to-day management that results in a successful project. Program managers are more concerned with strategic alignment, understanding what individual project managers are doing and enabling effective communication between them in order to understand where projects are and in order to provide support where necessary. Portfolio management is generally performed by a senior manager who has significant experience in both project and program management. Project managers use rolling wave planning during the project life cycle. Program managers create the overall plan at the program level and guide the component project managers. Portfolio managers institute necessary processes and communication structures relative to the aggregate portfolio. Success of a project is measured by the product quality, time of delivery, budget compliance, and degree of customer satisfaction. Success criteria for program is the level to which it satisfies the needs and benefits for which it was started. Success of a portfolio is measured regarding the collective performance of its components and on the benefits it inflicts on the stakeholders and investors. Project manager monitors the project and its deliverables. Using program governance, program manager monitors and controls the program, and portfolio manager measures the aggregated performance.